North Padre Island. I'm Kirsta Bailey and this is Jeremy Plumper.
We're at 15333 Yardarm Court in Corpus Christi, Texas. It's a beautiful canal home.
Let's go inside and take a look. I just love this outdoor space. Imagine inviting your friends over, hanging out, having a barbecue, watching the sunset.
Yeah, it's a beautiful area to hang out, entertain. You have a boat slip that's right below us to park your boat if you have a boat. And then you can go take it out into the intercoastal, go fishing anytime you want. It's just a great area.
I couldn't agree more. If you're interested, please contact us with the information below and we'll see you guys at the next one.